sing throughout the night are thought to be single birds, best known for its powerful and beautiful song, like this. This is nightingales. Male nightingales that sing throughout the night are thought to be single birds, trying to serenade migrating females down as they fly over. You might expect a nightingale's, a bird of thickets and woodland, to nest in trees, but it builds its nest on or just above ground level. Nightingales feed mainly on insects, mainly through foraging on the ground, and in particular are partial to ants and beetles. Nightingales are estimated to have declined by 90% in the last 50 years, thought to be due to a mix of factors, including climate change, but also increased numbers of deer nibbling away all the dense woodland understory, which the nightingales need to feed and nest in. Nightingales have an astonishingly rich repertoire, able to produce over 1,000 different sounds, compared with just 340 by skylarks and about 100 by blackbirds. This is because the part of the brain responsible for creating sound is bigger in nightingales than in most other birds.